Peru, a country on the western coast of South America, is a gem of the world, blending history, nature, and humanity. Known as the homeland of the legendary Inca civilization, Peru captivates visitors not only with its rich historical heritage, but also with its breathtaking natural landscapes and unique, creative cuisine. Cultural wonders. When talking about Peruvian culture, it is impossible not to mention the ancient Inca civilization, one of the greatest civilizations in human history. The most famous heritage of the Incas is Machu Picchu, the ancient city hidden amidst the majestic Andes Mountains. Built in the 5th-10th century, Machu Picchu is not only a symbol of advanced architecture and engineering, but also a vivid testament to the strength and wisdom of the Inca people. Visiting this site offers a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and nature's wonder, leaving visitors in awe and curiosity. Beyond Machu Picchu, Peru impresses with its rich indigenous traditions. A prime example is Inti Raymi, the Festival of the Sun, where Peruvians honor Inti, the sun god, through vibrant ceremonies. Each June, thousands gather in Cusco to partake in this celebration, with colorful costumes, traditional rituals, and lively music filling the atmosphere with excitement and joy. Another mysterious cultural treasure is the Nazca Lines, massive geoglyphs etched into the desert floor. These ancient drawings, depicting animals and geometric patterns, continue to puzzle scientists and spark curiosity about their purpose, whether religious or astronomical. The natural beauty of Peru. Peru's natural landscapes are a feast for the senses. From the towering Andes Mountains and expansive deserts to the mysterious Amazon rainforest, every corner of Peru offers a unique adventure. One of the most iconic natural wonders is Lake Titicaca, the world's highest navigable lake located on the border between Peru and Bolivia. This serene lake is not only a natural marvel, but also home to the Uros people, who live on floating islands made entirely of totora reeds. Exploring the lake by boat and witnessing the tranquil sunset is an unforgettable experience. For those seeking something extraordinary, Rainbow Mountain, or Vinicunca, is a must-see. This striking mountain, adorned with colorful stripes, looks like a natural masterpiece painted by the earth itself. Situated over 5,000 meters above sea level, it's a rewarding challenge for adventurous travelers. The Amazon rainforest in Peru is another highlight, offering an unparalleled glimpse into one of the world's most biodiverse ecosystems. Home to countless rare species, from playful monkeys to elusive jaguars, the Amazon is a place where humans truly connect with nature. A boat journey along the Amazon River immerses you in a world unlike any other. Peruvian cuisine. Peru isn't just a haven for culture and nature. It's also a paradise for food lovers. With a blend of local ingredients and influences from various cultures, Peruvian cuisine delivers unforgettable gastronomic experiences. One of Peru's most iconic dishes is ceviche, a fresh seafood salad marinated in lime juice, chili, and onions. Ceviche is not just a dish. It's a symbol of Peru's vibrant and creative culinary scene. Another must-try is lomo saltado, a stir-fried beef dish cooked with onions, tomatoes, and spices served with rice and fries. It showcases the fusion of Spanish and Asian culinary influences. Street food enthusiasts will love anticachos, skewers of grilled meat that fill the air with mouth-watering aromas at local food stalls. Don't forget to try Pisco Sour, Peru's traditional cocktail made with pisco brandy, lime juice, and egg whites. This refreshing drink is the perfect way to cap off a day of exploration. Conclusion. Peru is more than just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of history, nature, and gastronomy. From ancient ruins like Machu Picchu to stunning landscapes like Lake Titicaca and Rainbow Mountain, and a cuisine that delights the palate, Peru deserves a spot on every traveler's dream list. If you're looking for a place that offers depth, diversity, and unforgettable experiences, Peru is the perfect choice.